Hey, this is Gabe. Welcome back to another video. This is a follow-up video from the first No Ladder Pro video I made. I wanted to make a simple, or show you how I made the simple modification to these from the original clip, which looks like this, to the modified version. This is for the thin eaves on my manufactured home or mobile home. And then this is what the other one looks like for a regular eave or fascia, standard 2x thickness, 1 3/4 inch actually. So anyway, really simply, I'm just gonna modify this. This is what I did. I took a pair of cutters. First thing I did was just cut this piece off right here. And you can see that that is gone from right there. The next thing is just to shorten this right here. Okay, now that is complete in just a couple of seconds. That's all it took. So now you can use the No Ladder Pro with a different attachment to push these up in place, and that will release these. And the question that I've been getting also is, how does this collapse or not collapse? If you untwist it, then it's got a lot of play. But if you twist it again the other direction, just like righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, now it's solid. Now that's not going to move. So this extends to any length that you need it, and you can readjust that for your different height needs. So with this one, to modify for the thin eaves on my fascia, all I did was heat the one side and bend it over. So I'm just going to take this one here that we just cut. Before I used a heat gun, I'm just going to use a quick propane torch real quick. Add a little bit more heat. Good. With the other side. And that's it right there. You can use a heat gun. Propane torch is actually easier than the heat gun. I used the heat gun the first time, but without having to drag out the extension cord and do all that stuff for the heat gun for just one, it's just easier just to do it with the butane. So anyway, you can see what that looks like. So we went from one clip to 2 different variations, and all we did was cut the end off here and then that little hook on the side, because that little hook where the cord goes, there's just no really good way to get that to actually work. So this works better for that instead of using this for your rain gutters. So a quick video. I hope that helps with any future questions. Have a good day. Hey, this is Gabriel Castro. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. You can click on the link right here and subscribe. You can watch a video series right here or the latest video right here.